And they are going to tell us the story of how they became friends. And the power of one that you heard the chorus sing about is a situation that happened between Joe and Dalton. So I hope that you have your great listening ears on and are ready to hear their story.
Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Dalton Letta, and I'm what's called the 2019 Face of Autism Advocate for Monroe County. So if you guys know what that means, I'm helping speak for those who have what's called autism. And autism is a thing that has developed in the brain where some of us think differently other than you guys. And when you see this video that we're going to show you, you'll get to learn more about a student at a school who has this and how he's rejected by other people until a certain person comes along and sees how special he is. So currently, with this video, I'm working to spread the message of autism awareness in our school districts. And I thought I'd start with you guys because, well, what the heck, why not? So I'm creating a campaign in the future, and we're calling it Campaign D. And this campaign is to make sure that no student in our schools ever eat lunch alone again. I'm here to meet with you today and share this video that is near and dear to my heart. It expresses an actual experience I had when I was in high school and how I was rejected when I was about your age. I'm telling you, not fun! When I first saw this, it brought back many memories that were hard for me to deal with. You know, I ate lunch alone every day when I was young. And let's just say it was hard and it was very, very sad for me. I tried to make friends in the past, and I tried to make them laugh. I found it a sad revolution that they were laughing at me and not with me. And so students were often mean to me. And to be honest, I had a few teachers who were too. But one thing I learned is I learned to forgive them. It was hard to do that. But when I did, I felt better. Then one day, during this time of the heart crisis, I met a friend. He was a popular kid in high school, and he played soccer. So you could call him a sport kind of guy, right? Yeah, sport kind of guy. Maybe too much into sports. So his name is Joe Mayer, and he is here with me today to help us understand the beginning of our friendship. Joe was the one who changed my life, and it first started with him just meeting. I can't tell you to begin what it was like to have someone come into my life during a time that it was the hardest. I can't tell you what it was meant to me, having him out for me in school. He was my friend, but I didn't know how to make any friends. He had my back when no one else did. So when students started noticing Joe checking on me at lunch, and when his friends would say hi to me in the hallways, it began to change how other students were treating me. My hope in sharing this video and our friendship is to have a chance to make a change in all schools. As I said before, no one, and I mean no one, should ever eat lunch alone when you are in school. Everyone should have a friend like Joe, especially if they are someone like me. If they don't, then we need to help them get friends. So let's work together with our athletic directors to do what they did in this video. So now I'd like to share this video with you, then introduce you to Joe, who is still my friend to this day and is still helping me with everything that I go through. Which is crazy. P.S. L. So here today to make a difference for our students. Let's give a round of applause to Joe. Come on.
Hello, everybody. I'm going to use the microphone because I don't have the school of voice as our friend Dalton here does. So, like Ms. Cummings said earlier, I was one of the first 5th grade students to come through here. How cool is that? And I get to see a lot of familiar faces that are still in the audience here that I had when I was in school here, even though I feel old. I'm sure you guys back there probably think this. So, Dalton and I met when I was a senior at Spencerport High School. And I was hearing that he was having a lot of problems with some of the kids in school. And he wasn't really feeling like they were accepting that. He felt like he was alone. He felt like he didn't have anybody that he could turn to. And just like the young man in the video that we just watched, that was really upsetting. Because we all come to school for many reasons, but we come to learn, right? We come to make friends. We come to build ourselves up as people and build our character. And we also come here to have fun. So do you guys think that it's fair for people to come to school and not be able to do those things? No. So, just like we heard from the chorus here, it's the power of one, right? It's just one action that helps us kind of change the course, a chain reaction. That helps us change the course of not just my life, but also Dalton's. So, what I did was I went and saw my guidance counselor out at the school, and we talked, and I kind of told her that I wanted to see if there was a time in the day that I could go and meet with Dalton and kind of get an understanding of what the experience was that he was having in school. And in doing so, I was able to go during our study halls, and I got to meet Dalton and his friends, and I got to learn a lot more about him, and also his friends' experiences in school. And come to find out, we had a lot of things in common. I'm sure later this afternoon you're going to hear Dalton give us some voice impressions because he's a huge movie guy. He loves movies. I myself like movies, but this man over here, he can do any character. He can tell you any character from any movie on the planet. He knows it. So we started doing things outside of school together. We were going to see movies. We were going on hikes. We were doing things together outside of school. And it was a really great thing to see once Dalton and I became closer, that other kids in school were starting to take notice that, you know, we gotta start treating everybody equally, right? We don't want anybody to sit at lunch by themselves. And we're all asking you today to just look to the person to your right now, look to the person to your left. You gotta let them know that no matter what, you're all here for the same reasons. And if you notice anybody feels alone or you feel like they're getting picked on, you have all these great teachers behind you to go to or turn to. But you all gotta understand that you're all here for the same reasons, and we want nobody to feel like they're alone in school. Okay? Now, lucky for me, I've created a lifelong friendship with Dalton. And I know, as he said earlier, that I helped change his life, but in reality, he changed mine exponentially. And I can't thank him enough for that. And I just want you guys all to know that it just takes one action, one thing, one extending of a hand to help somebody, and they'll change their life forever. So, you guys want to hear Dalton do some impressions? Yeah! Well, thank you guys for having us here. We are so happy to be able to come. I'm going to bring Dalton back out now, and we'll see. Let's see a show of hands. We gotta get some. Let's get some cartoon characters. That's his favorite.
Goblin Spider-Man.
All right, we got another one. Let's see. You, my boy, the one in the striped shirt. Captain America? I can't do him yet. I don't watch Captain America. Superman? What's a good Superman line?
They say once again, thanks to you, Superman.
I'll see another one. Come on. Oh, you know where to sit.
Oh, who likes Lilo and Stitch? Who likes Lilo and Stitch? Raise your hand. Not that lot of Lilo and Stitch fans. Well, you'll be surprised, but I can do Stitch.
At the punch buggy! At the I'm so cute! I'm
fluffy! Get some good? You wait here in the pig. Oh boy, shut up. Shut your Winnie the Pooh! What to do?
What to do indeed? Who? Christopher Robin!
Hey Joe, help me, I need some help here. Come on. Alright, we can only do one more because I gotta get going, guys. Oh, I see one. The Steelers boy. I'm a Steelers fan. He's got me. Who? Oh boy.
Hey, Mr. Luke, I speak